we're going to talk about Nifty and how to make money in Nifty is the today's topic. So let's go to the Nifty chart and see what were the opportunities and what kind of strategy that we are trading in Nifty, right? So if you want to trade Nifty, there are three strategies that we trade, right? In Nifty, only three strategies will make you lot of money. It made me 14.5 R. So if I had put 10,000 rupees, then it made me around 1.5 lakh rupees in 1 week. Right. So strategies are false break of swings. Swings are very important. Breakout of swing and reversal or sorry pullback near FEG or swings. Right. So this is the strategy, guys. So I will explain it one by one. What does it mean? What are the things that you need to keep in mind while trading this strategy, right? So I will start from this week and we'll start counting the R that we are getting, right? The number of R's that we are getting, the count of R's, right? So what happened is, if you'll see, there was uh, hardly any trade on this day, but there was, I can see one trade that you could have taken on 8th of June, that is Monday, which is false break of this swing low, right? You can see very easily there was a false break of this swing low and there was very strong Marubozu candle, right? So this is your first trade that you got around 1:3, right? So first is 3 hour trade. Please remember that 3 hour that we got, right? So what I will do is I will open a notepad. So this is the notepad. So we got around 3 hour, right? This is the first trade. Now after that, there was no entry, but you could have taken this entry. So what happened was market formed a strong leg, right? Then there was this FAG that formed and there is a reversal candle, right? This is your pullback entry. The type of entry is your pullback, right? So you will short this trade, you will short this market and you will exit around the wick when the wick is falling. So we got 3.57, right? So 3.57 trade, right? These are all the possible trades that I'm showing. It does not mean that I have taken all the trade, right? I took most of the trade, but not all. Then on 9th, if you'll see, there was this trade that you could have very easily taken, which is this breakout, right? No, no, not, yeah, this breakout. So this is your breakout of this swing high, right? So this gave you around, I think 1 is to, it gave you 1 is to 3.8, right? Because there was a weak formation, so we'll exit. So 1 is to 3.8, 1.38, 1 is to 1.38, right? Right. So then again, there was one very good trade that you could have taken again later in the day, which was this false break of this swing low, right? So around here you will buy Nifty, right, and you will exit at this candle, right, around big rejection candle. Oh, sorry, Marubozu candle on the downside, 2.88 hour, right. Now on the 10th, if you see Bank Nifty was very strong, right? Sorry, no, no, not on 10th. So 10th, what happened? I cannot see any trade at this point of time on 10th, yeah, there was this trade, false break of this swing low, right? And strong rejection. So, but this was a break even trade, so let's not count that. But later on, what happened? Market went down and gave a breakout of this swing low, right? So this was your short trade, which gave you around 1 is to 4.2, right? So this will be your 4.2 R. After that, on the 11th, market was very, very bullish. So if you'll see on 11th, long side, there was a breakout of this candle, right? This was the breakout. Then again, there was this trade, right? 1 is to 7 in this trade, right? Because there is FEG here, this FEG, right? So let's remove this one because this is your, this would have been your break even trade. So I will remove this one, right? So this gave you 1 is to 7, right? 1 7 R, right? Again, on the downside, if you'll see, there was a very beautiful trade that happened. This was a breakout of this swing low, and you could have traded it till here. So 1 is to 3.6 that you got. So 3.6 R. Alright, so remember guys, you'll only have to see Marubozu candle, pin bar candle, and engulfing candle near the levels that I have talked about. The levels are swing high, swing low, FVGs. Right? This could have been your reversal trade, but let's not count that because we are only trading in the direction of the trend. Right? So after that, what happened? On the 12th, market was very explosive because of the news. So what we did was we traded Bank Nifty because in Bank Nifty, what we are doing is Bank Nifty, you can see Nifty was struggling, right? Bank Nifty was sideways. So Bank Nifty was the stronger player. So this is one more uh, example where you need to know how to find the strongest pair, right? So Bank Nifty was the stronger one. So here you will get in this trade, if you'll see breakout trade, stop loss below here, and you'll get 1 is to 4.36, right? R. So if you'll count all these trades, right? If you'll count all these trades and add these, right? So I'll go to ChatGPT and I will say add the R's. So 30R. Where do you get these kind of guys? Where do you get these kind of strategy? 30R in a week, right? So let's say if you have invested 10,000 rupees, it will give you 30R return, right? 30x return, right? 30x. So I would say this is a pretty damn good method or strategy, right? Now I will come to the last part wherein we'll discuss the trade example or example from the last video, right? So in last video we discussed about 15-minute FVG trading, right? So in US Tech and in US 500, you can see this example very easily. This was the beautiful example, 15-minute chart, right? This is your entry where you are getting 1 is to 3, right? So this is your, again, the strategy is not bad. It's just that you are not able to follow the strategy, right? So remember guys, I'm not anybody. I have been in this market for last 8 years and I still make mistakes, but The thing is, I am doing well because of following the methods in the right manner. And if you want to learn these methods, if you want to learn these methods properly, you can join my WhatsApp group or you can join my Discord channel wherein I discuss all these things, right? So thanks a lot, guys, for watching. I hope you learned something out of it, and I also hope that you'll continue to support me and my channel. And you'll. I also request you guys to comment on the videos so that I understand what you are getting right and what you are not getting right. Right. So and let's start and wrap up this video and let's finish this video. Right. Thanks a lot for watching.